Hello Will Ladders, it's me, Will Ladd, and today I've got a new project. It's a van, a blue van. What I'm going to do is turn it into a camper van. And yes, it is a HSV, not the Commodore, but a high-speed van. What I'm going to do to it, let's come around here, is that, as you can see, it's very big, very tall and long. I'm going to... It's got a little thing there. Come in here. Is turn this whole area into a camper. So there'll be a bed, a kitchen, and that's practically it. Maybe a toilet and an esky for my beers. And then boom, got a power converter so I can charge my Nintendo and my computer. So the first thing we're going to do is remove all the seats out of here, but through the power of editing and my impatience, I've already done that. Next thing is we're going to put a wooden floor down, not sure what materials. Then we're going to do the sides, then we're going to sort out a bed situation, then a kitchen little cabinet thing, and then like cushions and a place to store my beer. That's going to be a lot of money, but you know what isn't a lot of money? Will Ladd merch. Link in the description below.
Cringe.
So we've got into the stage of moving this and BAM! What a find. Blue tape. But it's going to be a mission in its own just to get it off. So we haven't taken off the first seat yet, but one spanner's already broken. Rest in peace, 5 out of 8 spanner. You will be missed. Are you gonna miss the chair you're sitting in?
Yes.
It's so sad.
I cry.
You cry.
I cry.
Cry. So we're taking apart the second little seat thing at the back. Then boom, we come over here and it's like, what's this little thing? And I click it in. Oh my god, it is a relic of the past. A ciggy tray. So we've just finished the 2 back seats. We got 2 more to do, which I think these ones will be quicker. But it's time for some dinner. What are you doing?
Screwing.
Screwing what?
In the van.
Brooke, what are we doing?
Started.
If you answer what we're doing.
Unscrewing the final chair.
Unscrewing the final chair?
Yeah.
At what time?
I don't know, what is the time? 9:37.
9... Thanks, autofocus. 9:37. Come on, Brooke.
I can't.
Come on. Brooke, look at the camera while doing it. Look at it. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I'm doing it!
Oh, she's doing it! We're going to speed this up, guys. So we've done taking out the seats, which took, well, the time I expected it. The last seats were pretty easy, besides this one having a screw just fishing around. But now we've got a new problem, is that the holes go to the ground, so we've got to put screws in them, and tomorrow get floorboardings.